Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how you can create a secure folder permission in Microsoft SharePoint so specific user can only access specific folder in a SharePoint site. So by default, SharePoint inherits permissions from site level. That means if someone is a site member, they can automatically get access to all the folders. To solve this, we need to break permission inheritance at the folder level. So in my case, I have a SharePoint site. This is my team. And under my SharePoint site, I have 4 folders: admin, HR, IT, and sales. So in the member section, I have 3 members. So I have these 3 members in here. So these 3 members can access all the folders. So if I can just give the link to the other folder, other users. I'm just sharing the link. This is one account. I can see the all the 4 folder. And if we can try, okay, I need to sign in again. Okay, so now if I try with another user, you see I can see all the 4 folders. And also in my admin ID, I have a, I can also this is this admin ID also the member of this site. So obviously it can see all the folders. So to break the inheritance, let's say in admin folder, I wanted one user. Let's say my this Azure.credit user. I want this user to access only the admin folder, and this user cannot access or see other 3 folders. So to do that, from admin portal, what we have to do, we click on this 3 dot, we click on manage access, we again click on more options, advanced settings. So first what we need to do, we need to stop inheriting permissions. So click on that, we need to stop inheriting permissions. So once this done, now as you can see in here, in this folder, my team, my SharePoint site members can have edit permissions, owner have full control, and visitor has read permission. So we can just keep the owner, or we can delete all. So I just keep the owners because I'm log in with the owner account. So I'm just keep this and then remove user permissions. So first thing done. So let's do this for all the folders. So first you need to do this for all folders. So let's just stop inheriting permission and then remove the visitor and members. Okay, do it for other 2. And the last one. So once we do this, let's check with our other users SharePoint site what they can see. So you can see they cannot see any folder in here. This is one user, they cannot see any folder. Let's log in to another user, refresh it. So the second user also cannot see any of the folders. So now our goal is to provide an Azure Credit user to our admin folder access, right? So you click on admin, click on manage access, and then click share. Find your folder in here. It has the edit permission, so just send. You just click this. Now you go to your Azure Credit. See, you can see this admin folder now, and you can create, upload, create files, whatever you want to do, you can do this. But let's check with other users. Still in my email I cannot see the folder. So for the IT folder, let's say in IT folder I wanted to give access to other users. So just click on send. Now go to my SharePoint site, enter. See, I can see the only IT folder. So the user 1 can see only admin, user 2 can see only IT. So, and user 3, this is another user, my admin user. So this is the admin user. Admin user can see all, because this user is also a owner, so he can see all. So if I wanted to give access to another user, just what you need to do, you need to give add this user. Okay, you just add the user as a member. So once you add the member, just click on here manage access, and then give the access. So if you add the members in here, the member cannot see any of the folder. So it will, if the user the member will see no folder. If you give the link, they can log in, but they did not see any folder. So once you assign it, they can see. Let's say for HR, I wanted to give access to my Azure Credit user. So now give it a refresh, and I will get the folder. So this way you can easily control the folder level access, so that only the permissioned user can access the permission folder. So this can be very helpful if you are managing a large number of team and you wanted to manage. You can, in your organization, you can do this. You can create a SharePoint site, a common SharePoint site. You can add all the members, all the users as a member, and then you can assign the permission as per the department, as per the designation way. It will be very helpful for you to collaborate. Only the admin can access the admin folder, only can HR can access the HR folder, and as a management you can access all the folder, or admin you can access each and every folder. So that's it for today. Thank you.